Hi guys, so here is Karina again. Think it's kind of important to update some information after the US elections, and I'll show you how I've been doing for the last month for the markets and how I did it on the US elections. Volatility was pretty good. I mean, we got to trade really good in the elections. And let me show you how price action helped me to kind of get on the best possible prices, on the best possible activity. As you know, I trade every day. I mean, I'm an active trader. I do a scalping. I think scalping is the best way to kind of not to expose yourself, uh, to the huge different macroeconomic situation that the countries are facing. So let's see how I did it with the US elections. I'm going to show you here. I use MT5, MT4. To me, it's actually the same. You have to have a good broker. That's important for you. But regardless, the MT5, MT4, just make sure your broker is good enough. So you have good prices and good executions. When you trade price action, everything is about the execution. Everything is about the prices. Okay. So, I mean, just doesn't matter the platform to me, to be honest. Okay. As you can see, I don't use any indicator. To me, it's just only price activity, as I show you on the framework that I've been uploading on the course. I'm happy to see and read your feedback. I'm kind of hoping that this is going to help to improve your trading. I mean, I know that all you know is probably indicators and chartism. That's actually not the way it goes. I mean, I started it that way until I went to the US, and I got coached by professional traders, and they showed me how to read the prices with buyers and sellers, not from the actual chart. That was a huge game changer for me. So let me show you here on the U.S. elections. I'm actually in Argentina, so the hour that I started trading the elections and volatility, it was right here, as you can see. The market started going down. I mean, I kind of knew that the market was actually discounting the Donald Trump winning because the dollar was pretty strong. But then the first results were coming up, and so the market was kind of with a huge volatility. And I had buy strategies on the euro, but then I shorted the euro right here, as you can see. This is a kind of small account. I'm trading only just small amounts. But then I shorted the euro right on the first election results at below the 108.50. So what I said is this: when for the elections, I was kind of buying the euro above the 109, but then I said, if with the elections I have the euro dollar below 109 on price activity, I'm going to start shorting. And that's what I did. So I'm waiting to kind of close this trade right here. And of course, this is a real money account. I'm not on demo, just in case you wonder. So on this trading account, I'm using this strategy, but then I opened a new trading account right here, which I'm using a different strategy because price action will allow you to have, whatever strategy you want. I mean, shorten the euro below 109, but then I'm buying the euro at the lows of the 107, 107.10, 107.50, and that's what I'm doing here. This account, as you can see, is way too small because this is the account that I use to do my live trading sessions. Every day I trade with people behind my screen on Zoom, and they see everything I do. So some of them have very small, investment amounts. So I rather use kind of small amounts for them to kind of copy the same trades that I do. And we do this every day. So that's why I have a small account here. Let me show you the results that I've been trading for the last, I'm going to go to history here. And I'm going to show you, let's see if I show you the last month of trading with this trading account. And as you can see, the results are not bad. I mean, just a few trade expirations. These are not stop loss. In price action, you rather not use a stop loss. If you have the confirmation lost on the trade, then you may want to get out of the trade, but try not to use stop loss because the volatility is just pretty intense. So it's gonna trigger your stop loss up. just don't use it. And then some of the take profits, yes, some of the trade profits, I use them. Sometimes I don't. So I'm just on manual my trading, as you can see. So these are the results. Not bad. I mean, I've been trading. If you see the days here and hours, same hours. Some days, if you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, a lot of trading. I mean, on the election days, I did a lot. That was yesterday. So over, I don't know, maybe 10 trades. I don't even count them, but it was good because of volume. And then some days I just open 2 trades, 1 trade, depending on the day, depending on volume. It's not something I have a goal with how much money I want to make or how many trades I'm going to open. But yeah, I mean, with the elections, price action acted really good. With volatility, it will help you to actually get in good prices. So we'll see what comes up. And today, hoping that we're going to go for the euro up to 108, hopefully, and the pound probably we're going up to 129.50. We'll see. And we have the dollar Canadian, and the dollar is going down today, hopefully, because of the rate cuts of the US. Again, I'm talking November 7th. We're one day after the US elections. So you don't have to be afraid of trading with volatility. Actually, if you know price action, you can trade on any environment. Volatility, not volatility is going to help you anyway. So I hope you can enjoy volatility as I do, because I actually use it. Otherwise, it would be very boring. I do forex mostly. I know you've been asking if I do index, US index. I do, but when I show my trading every day with people, some of them are not ready to trade index, so I kind of focus on forex. So it's kind of, it's the volume are pretty steady compared to index, and I need them to get used to volume and used to first the system price action instead of having all crazy with the index. So I hope this information help you. I'll give you another update on the next video with a projection of market, how we project for November. Okay, so that's going to be on the next video, so I don't make it too long for you. Thank you.